It is Alhaji Bola Ahmed Tinubu again. And this time we are here to convey his message, to convey his humanitarian services, to convey his philanthropism to Kano people. Bola Ahmed Tinubu is a household name, not only in Kano, not only in Nigeria, but world over. That is why his generalist Muslim brothers, he decided to bring this to our people, which will serve as a palliative, especially this time, the last 10 days of Ramadan. So for us, just put him in our prayers, pray to Almighty to make things easy for him, to have an easy ride to be our next president. And as I said, this time, this is at 1,200 bags of 25 kg of rice, and also 600 bags of 50 kg, which will be distributed to different categories of people. We have 453 national delegates. Each of them will receive 150 kg. Sorry, 50 kg. We have Tinubu support groups. They will equally receive 100 bags